Okay, so for this week, testing is going on, so we are going to try and work as much as possible off the internet, which means this discussion board, we're going to talk about it, and we'll talk about it when we do our Socratic seminar Monday. But with it, I'm going to have to move it back to probably next Wednesday, maybe later, depending on how testing and Wi-Fi ends up going. I do want to give you guys class time to work on that. As far as Monday goes, we read 3 different poems: The Man in the Arena, Fire and Ice, and The Red Wheelbarrow. With all of these poems, they relate to existentialism. Existentialism we've talked about before. In class, you should have notes on it. If you were absent for whatever reason, and I don't even know if anyone missed, but if you're absent, you're going to need to talk to me on the questions you need to write down. Our Socratic seminar that we had on the individual, it deals with all of these poems and chapters 2 and 3 of The Stranger. So you need to have chapters 2 and 3 read all 3 poems, and you need your Socratic seminar questions for all of them in order to receive points on that. With the quizzes online, I may print them off and give them to you guys on Wednesday, but I do want you to read chapters 2 and 3, and we'll go 4 through 5 by the end of this week. We might be able to hit chapter 6 a little bit, but other than that, that's what we will be reading and covering. For your podcast script on Wednesday, mostly Friday, you're going to be working on writing, but on Wednesday, we're going to start rehearsing what you do have, and you're going to make edits or notes on what went well, what's not flowing, what seems weird or unusual to you guys. Make notes so you can revise it when you have internet. And if there's any ideas you want to take from what we are reading or anything we've read in the past, you may do so. So that's what we're doing for this week. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thank you.